Blessed morning, my people. Someone brought this. It was a normal whole shoes, but the bottom of the shoes, gone. So he tell me put on a body on it for him and nice it up. So I going to put on a body on it. So I eventually gonna modify it. You're gonna see in front here different. All on this side you're going to remove that shed. Going to remove that shed. So you're going to modify. If you notice it's in a white piece. I'm not gonna put on a body on that so because it's not gonna serve no purpose. So I will modify it and you will see the finished product of this shoe. Yes, my wonderful people. So already done. Put on a nice thing, the nice piece of leather. Already done stick. Already done stick it. So what I did, I put in a piece of leather here to make it look good. So I'm going to put on a button now you see the finished product. So yes, my wonderful people. Already done. Put in the piece of leather. Come up to here. All the way around. All the way around. Put in the piece of leather. So I put in the piece of leather here too. So already done. Put on the sole in to take the bottom. Already done sew it already. So we see the finished product, guys. Yes, my wonderful people. Already done. Put on the bottom. So I'm going to finish it up and nice it up, show you. So yes, my wonderful people. Already put back the design where original come with. So already done. Cut it wrong. Don't sand it wrong. Don't sand it wrong. So I'm going to clean it up now. You will see the finished product. So yes, my peep. Already done finish it. Put back the design.